Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Open your document in Microsoft Word to remove the page number on page 1. First, add or edit page numbers from the Insert tab if none exist. Double-click the header or footer to open Header and Footer tools and access page number settings. Check Different First Page to hide the first page number while keeping later numbers. If you use sections, insert a Next Page section break and turn Link to Previous off in the new section. Update numbering format if page 2 should start at 1. Open your document in Google Docs to hide the first page number quickly. Insert page numbers from the Insert menu so you can control numbering across pages. Then open Format and choose Headers and Footers to reveal first page controls. Check Different First Page Header/Footer to hide the number on only page 1. If you need numbering to restart later, insert a section break and adjust numbering options in the Insert menu. Confirm page 2 shows the desired number after applying changes. For LaTeX documents, suppress the first page number with \page numbering gobble on the title page. Then place \clearTablePage and \page numbering Arabic where you want numbering to resume. For compiled PDFs, use a PDF editor or cropping tool to remove visible numbers when source edits are unavailable. If converting from Word, ensure Different First Page is set before export to keep page 1 unnumbered. Always preview the final PDF to confirm the first page number is absent and later pages display correct numbering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.